Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful Ubtan that has many skincare benefits. It treats and prevents acne, helps remove blackheads and whiteheads, treats hyperpigmentation, fades scars, prevents skin infections, cleanses the skin gently, treats suntan, and it also brightens dull skin well. The base for this powder is moong dal, also called as green gram dal. Like gram flour, we use moong dal powder also extensively for skin care. It exfoliates the skin very gently and brightens dull skin. The vitamins and minerals present in moong dal gives a radiant glow to our skin. Almost all of our traditional bath powder recipes contains moong dal. Every year, during summer months, we sun-dry moong dal till crisp, powder and store it in an airtight box and use it in skincare recipes throughout the year. Another important ingredient in this recipe is tulsi powder, also known as holy basil in English. Tulsi treats and prevents all skin infections from acne to skin itching. If you're suffering from skin problems, using tulsi-based skin products like this will greatly help. This recipe can be used by all age groups, and it also lasts well at room temperature for a few weeks if stored away from moisture. We all think only products that foam cleanses the skin well, but on the contrary, products like this also cleans the skin well, and they do much more than just clean the skin. Take quarter cup of moong dal powder in a bowl. Add in a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add in a tablespoon of tulsi powder too. Finally, add in 2 teaspoons of neem powder. Now mix well with a spoon. I have made a small batch here. You can also make a large batch using the same proportion. Adding tulsi makes this Ubtan smell incredible. If you feel there are small lumps in the mixture even after mixing well, you can also sieve it once before storing. Always store this mixture in an airtight box away from moisture. If you store it in an airtight box, the smell will remain fresh the entire time. To use, take the required amount of powder in a bowl. Add in enough rice water to mix. Mix well with a spoon. Depending on your skin type, you can also use rose water, milk, curd, and even fresh aloe vera juice for making the paste. If you have skin problems, I would suggest mixing it with fresh aloe vera juice or cooked rice water, as both are very soothing on the skin. To use, take the paste and apply it all over the face and body. Massage for a few seconds and then wash it off. You can use this Ubtan instead of soap. This Ubtan will also prevent body odor along with treating almost all the skin problems, as all the ingredients used in this recipe have powerful antimicrobial properties. The only thing we have to remember while making this Ubtan is the moong dal powder should be very fine, else it will cause skin irritation. If you are not able to grind moong dal to a very fine powder at home, you can use moong dal powder that we get in the shops too. Mostly, the moong dal powders we get in the markets are ground very finely, perfect for using it in Ubtan recipes. Make a small batch like I've given and try it for a few days, and I'm sure that you'll start using it regularly. It is that good. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.